What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with the most awesome Amazon finds ever. Seriously, these products are about to change your life. So, before we jump into this awesome adventure of incredible finds, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's get this party started. First up, we've got the Echo Dot, the little smart speaker that's about to rock your world. This compact device packs a punch with its powerful features. You can ask Alexa to play your favorite tunes, whether it's the latest hits or your nostalgic favorites. Set reminders for important tasks, make hands-free calls, and even order pizza with just a simple voice command. Just plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and boom, you're ready to roll. It's that easy to get started. Plus, it's super affordable, so it won't break the bank. You get all these features without spending a fortune. Ditch the old alarm clock and upgrade to the Echo Dot, which can wake you up with your favorite music or news updates. Your new best friend for all things entertainment and information, the Echo Dot is here to make your life easier and more fun. From streaming music to controlling smart home devices, it does it all. Next up, we're taking over the kitchen with the Instant Pot, the magical device that's about to transform you into a culinary genius. Imagine whipping up gourmet meals with minimal effort. We're talking everything from creamy risottos to fall-off-the-bone ribs, succulent stews, and even perfectly cooked rice, all made in a fraction of the time it would normally take. No more standing over the stove for hours. Just throw in your ingredients, press a button, and let the Instant Pot work its magic. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Perfect for busy weeknights when you need dinner on the table fast, or lazy weekends when you just want to relax. Trust me, you need this in your life. It's an essential addition to any kitchen, making cooking not just easy, but also fun and incredibly satisfying. Now let's talk about setting the mood with some awesome LED strip lights. These things are an absolute game changer. Stick them behind your TV, under your cabinets, or around your bed frame to create some epic ambient lighting. With millions of colors and lighting effects, you can customize your space to match your mood or style. Step into the future of lighting with LED strip lights. All right, ladies and gents with fabulous hair, this one's for you. Ever dreamt of achieving that salon-quality look without stepping out of your home? Well, dream no more. The Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer is about to become your new best friend. This revolutionary tool combines the power of a dryer and the precision of a styler. It dries and styles your hair at the same time, giving you tons of volume and shine. Imagine cutting your styling time in half while still achieving that professional finish. Just section your hair, brush it through the one step, and bam, it's that simple. No more juggling multiple tools or spending hours in front of the mirror. You've got gorgeous, bouncy hair without the hassle of a salon visit. Feel the confidence of a fresh blowout every day, right from the comfort of your home. It's perfect for busy mornings or any time you need to look your best in a flash. Whether you're heading to work, a date, or just running errands, the Revlon One Step has got you covered. Last but not least, we've got a simple but essential item, the phone stand. This thing is a game changer for anyone who spends time on their phone. With a phone stand, you can watch videos, take video calls, or scroll through social media completely hands-free. Perfect for following recipes or watching Netflix while you fold laundry. Treat yourself to a phone stand. Your neck, posture, and sanity will thank you. So there you have it, folks. 5 amazing Amazon finds that are perfect for beginners and seasoned shoppers alike. Let me know in the comments which product you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video with even more mind-blowing finds.